Hello everyone. Now I am going to explain about Module 1 Basics of Networking. What is a computer? A computer is a collection of computers, printers, routers, switches and other devices that are able to communicate with each other over some transmission media. Types of networks. A local area network, a wide area network. Local area network is a group of computers and network communication devices within a limited geographic area such as an office building. And second, wide area networks. It is not restricted to a particular geographic area and may be interconnected around the world.
In this network, third-party network is involved. LAN infrastructure devices. There are numerous devices associated with the data information flow across a LAN, repeaters, bridges, hubs, switches, routers, etc. LAN transmission methods. There are three main categories: unicast, multicast and broadcast. Unicast transmission. In this transmission, a single data packet is sent from a source to a single destination on the network. Unicast process. The source addresses the packet with the destination address. The packet is sent into the network. The network delivers the packet to the destination.
Next, multicast transmission. In multicast transmission, a single data packet is copied and sent to the specific destination on the network. Multicast process. The source addresses the packet using a multicast address. Then the packet is sent into the network. Then broadcast transmission. And the process of broadcast, the source addresses the packet with the broadcast address. The packet is sent into the network. The network copies the packet. The packet copies are delivered to all destinations on the network. What is topology? Network topology is arrangement of the various links, nodes, etc. of computer network. Essentially, it is structure of a network and may be depicted. Physical topology is the placement including device location and cable installation, while logical topology illustrates types of topologies: bus topology, ring topology, star topology, mesh topology, line topology, tree topology, and token ring topology. Star topology. Each station is connected to a central hub that functions as a multi-port repeater. Each station broadcasts to all the devices connected to the hub. Digital LAN topologies are usually characterized as either bus or ring. Common LAN topologies: bus architecture and ring architecture. In bus architecture, a single cable connects each workstation in layer daisy and change station. Next is a OSI model. OSI network model. There are 7 layers in the OSI model. Each layer is responsible for a particular aspect of data communication. For example, one layer may be responsible for establishing connection between devices, while another layer may be responsible for error checking. Then the next topic is network layer logical addressing. And presentation layer data representation, and session layer inter-host communication, transport layer end-to-end connection, network addresses and base path, data link layer, access media. The application layer. The application layer is the highest layer in the protocol stack and the layer responsible for introducing data into OSI stack. In it resides the protocol for user applications that reincorporates the components of network applications, classification of applications, computer applications and network applications, and internet network applications. Presentation layer. The presentation layer manipulates the representation of data for transfer to applications on different devices. The presentation layer is responsible for the following services: first one, data representation. Session layer. The session layer establishes, manages and terminates sessions between applications as they interact on different hosts on the network. Its main job to coordinate the service. Transport layer. The basic rules of transport layer are to establish end-to-end connection from one computer to another on the network that provide reliable transport of data between devices. The network layer. The network layer is the third layer in the OSI model and is responsible for identifying computers on a network. This layer is connected with two-function routing and fragmentation. Data packets, example IP and IPS. Data link layer or physical layer. LAN and WAN protocols occupy the bottom two layers of the OSI model. These two layers, physical layers and data link layer, work very closely together to ensure data transfer across the physical network. Two types of links, LLC and MSC. Next, IPv4 frame format. Structure of IPv4 header. Datagram format. Packets in the IPv4 layer are called datagrams. First one, version. This 4-bit pin defines the version of IPv4 protocol. Currently the version is 4. Second one, header length. This 4-bit pin defines the total length of the datagram header in 4-bit words. Services. IETF has changed the interpretation and name of this 8-bit pin. Next concept is IPv6 packet format. Base header. Total equal to 32 bits equal to 4 bytes. First root, version, traffic class and flow table. First version, in IPv6 the version is 6. Secondly, traffic class. This 8-bit field is used to distinguish different payloads with different delivery requirements and flow level and payload length. The next header is an 8-bit field defining the header that follows the base header in the datagram. Next, hope limit and source address, destination address. The destination address field is 16 byte internet address that usually identifies the final